The eMotion Air arrives in compact, neatly organized packaging. Inside the box are the LinknLink eMotion Air sensor, a wall-mounting bracket, a luminous identification sticker, and nano-adhesive tape. The bracket supports wall, corner, or tabletop placement, while the adhesive tape allows quick installation without drilling. 3 AAA batteries are required, but are not included. The battery-powered design allows the eMotion Air to be installed wherever reliable presence detection is needed, without relying on a nearby socket or visible power cable. I could easily test it on a shelf, attach it to a wall, or position it in a corner using the adjustable bracket. Since mmWave performance depends heavily on orientation in surrounding objects, this flexibility made it simple to adjust the sensor's angle and location until the intended area was covered reliably. The eMotion Air has a compact white enclosure that blends discreetly into most rooms. Its lightweight plastic housing feels well assembled, with smooth edges and side ventilation for the temperature and humidity sensors. With no visible PIR lens, the front remains clean, while the lower panel doubles as a smart button supporting single, double, and long presses. The eMotion Air also monitors temperature, humidity, and ambient brightness, making it useful for broader room automation. In Home Assistant, you can combine these readings with occupancy data to control lighting, heating, cooling, or ventilation more intelligently. The LinknLink eMotion Air combines reliable mmWave presence detection with temperature, humidity, and brightness monitoring in a compact, battery-powered design. Flexible placement, programmable button controls, Bluetooth and Zigbee support make it especially useful for bedrooms, offices, and living areas. Home Assistant provides the fullest experience, making this a practical upgrade over conventional PIR sensors, where stationary